Guys, so welcome back, and this is how I made the Last of Us clicker mask. Essentially, I used some flexi foam, like foam filler, and I just did a bunch of like squiggly, like I made some different ones on the side just to be the actual clicker like stuff that I glue, and then I just sprayed the flexi foam all over a mask. What I did was, well, my brother helped me, but what I did was I took a mask, I cut it in half, like where by the nose I basically took off the chin portion, and then I attached another head piece of the mask and just made it a little bit larger on the head or forehead area, and I just sprayed the flexi foam all over, and you just wait till it dries. It took me around 45 minutes to an hour for it to dry, and then I just shaped it with a knife and I just made it into that dome. And I took all the shaved pieces that I shaved off the top of the mask as well as the extra pieces, and I just cut them up into all different like shapes to kind of look like mushroom pieces, or just basically that clicker shape. It kind of has like that mushroom flowery blooming look. As you can see, kind of looks like brains almost as well. And I just cut it like that, and that is pretty much those pieces that I had, and I hot glued it. Now be careful with the hot glue because it doesn't dry immediately, but it will stick to it. So I just use hot glue, and then I painted it with some yellow paint. I didn't show, but I did use this brown like black paint. I painted the base of or like in between the cracks, and then I painted the tips red on the mask itself. You'll see it later on, but I didn't film me painting it because the footage, well, I did film, but the footage just got compromised. But anyway, I am painting my neck area because like you would want to wear a ripped up shirt or anything like that just to look very zombified, clicker, apocalyptic. So you want to wear like a ripped up shirt, but you want to also paint down your neck because the clicker is supposed to really only be like 3/4 of your head, and then the bottom jaw area should still be exposed. So I wanted the neck area to also look dirty, so just tied it in with the mask. So I just painted it this grayish, brownish, muddish looking color. I kind of blended the red, black, and white together just to create this just off dirty, grayish looking muddy color. And you can go ahead with and use a brown as well. I didn't have a brown, I just used the colors that I had, and I just painted all over. I did get some latex and some liquid latex, and I placed some extra pieces of the flexi foam on my neck just to kind of make sure like the neck area is also that blooming like fungi clicker. And then I realized I look like Joe Budden, so I started painting a mustache, and yeah. Like, don't I look like I'm about to tell women, like I'm about to say the most misogynistic joke you ever heard? I just look like I'm about to go number one on a podcast, you know, just talking about nonsense. Anyway, but it was kind of falling apart. I didn't let the glue dry on these extra pieces, so honestly, it is what it is. But this is the clicker mask. You see, I painted the edges red, and in between the cracks, I used that black muddish color. And then I just blended that yellow just to downtone the yellow. I put a little bit of brown in between that red, just blend it. You can go ahead and use different colors, like look for references because they have different versions of the clicker. So this I just found to be the easiest, and it matched the colors that I had. But you can also do like green and such like that. They do have some of them that are like green and grassy and overgrown in that way, but it's just whatever you want, or you could just do it all gray, kind of like that. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.